Hey, Dan with 3D Auto Repair. Today we're looking at a 2014 Chevy with the Duramax in it. The customer called and complained that they were starting to consume a lot of coolant. They didn't see any leaks on the ground, but they were consistently about once a week getting a message for low coolant, having to add about a half a gallon into the overflow tank to get the message off the dash. We did some investigating, preliminary testing of the cooling system, found that it wasn't holding the amount of pressure it should. Advised the customer that our opinion was that the truck needed a set of head gaskets. The head gaskets had failed, and that's where they were losing the coolant. As you can see here from the video, it's a pretty extensive job. You got to remove the cab, get the heads off, inspect everything, make sure the pistons aren't cracked, that type of stuff. It's a very intensive job, but nothing that we're afraid of here at 3D Auto Repair. So if you have a vehicle that is using coolant, it seems like maybe it's overheating or running hotter than it should be, not sure if you have a head gasket issue, if there's something else going on, we'd be happy to take a look at it, give you a free estimate. So if you have any concerns like that, please feel free to give us a call, and we look forward to seeing you at the shop. And please share this video so other people out there like you can get this information.